Buongiorno.
Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be 3D printing Giorno's ladybug brooch from JoJo Part 5 Golden Wind. So first thing you're going to want to do is jump on Thingiverse and try and find yourself a design. I found this one and I thought it would be great. However, I would like to point out I painted this to be similar to the anime adaptation, and this design seems to be more based off the manga. So once it's finished printing, you're going to want to take it off and have a look at it. I decided to give mine a light sanding so the paint would stick better to it, but I also want to fill in any imperfections in the print. So next thing you're going to want to do is paint it. I obviously don't actually paint like this, I'm just holding the camera with one hand, and I'd already painted it before. So I started off with filling in the black areas, because before this I thought I was just going to leave the blue as it was. And here you can see I've started to add a coat of lighter blue to the shell of the ladybug. I much prefer this colour and find it to be a lot more accurate to the reference photos I was using. And now you can enjoy some lovely footage of me doing something off screen. Here I am, yeah, apologies for the camera angle, but here I'm just masking up the rim of the brooch so that I can paint it without ruining any of my previous paintwork. I'll be using red paint because I don't have any yellow or gold, and I'll just make do with this. Once the paint's dry. So you can see it's finished. I went back over the black spots because I'd accidentally smeared some blue paint on those, and I didn't want that. Obviously I wanted to look nice and clean. And after that I also covered up some of the red smudges that had got onto the blue paint that made it look bad. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you like this, I might try and add a way to make it wearable, so maybe a safety pin on the back. So subscribe, and I'll see you next time.